Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Padma area on Padma Utara Street and Legian Beach. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment on November 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will explore Padma area and Legian Beach on November 2021. Now we are in Werkudara Street. So this is the situation at the moment in Werkudara Street. Yeah, it is look so quiet. There's no people around here. You see? It's like empty road today. And left side there is a shop and small hotel left side. You see? There is on the road. It looks so quiet, isn't it? It's like ghost town now. Yeah, I'm gonna say in Bali will be busy just around weekend, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, and the rest Bali back to quiet. And in the right side there is a big hotel we call Jayakarta Hotel, and usually in this area lots of people walk around on the sidewalk because this hotel is very famous. Okay guys, now we continue driving in Padma Utara Street. Now we are in Padma Utara Street. Actually, I already explored this area around 2 weeks ago. So you can compare how the different the situation in 2 weeks ago and now. Yeah, right side there is a lot of car parking at the front of hotels. That's really good. But so far on the road, still look very quiet, isn't it? It's like a ghost town. Just look like no activity in this area. And at the front, there is some shop, but look quiet. Just no people. And left side there is Amar's Hotel. There's the car from the hotel only. Swiss Bell Hotel left side, one car parking there. You see right side and left side there is some shop, but they are closed. In the right side there is Puri Raja Hotel, also a very famous hotel. And left side there is some shop, but they are closed. And you see the building right side, there is Melasti Hotel. Also look very quiet. Oh no, this area is just like dead town. No activity, very quiet. Actually today I drive in very slow because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in this area. Maybe some car or motorbike passing me, but so far it looks very quiet, isn't it? Ibis Hotel outside. Yeah, there's some car parking there. But again, the road looks so empty. Just no car parking, no taxi, no car and motorbike drive around in this area. It looks so empty. It's very bad, isn't it? Three Brother Hotel left side also look quiet. Right side and left side there is all the shop, and all the shop is closed in this area. Oh my god. It's like a dead town. Just no people, no activity around here. It's very sad, isn't it? Okay guys, if you want to know how the situation in this area 2 weeks ago, I will put the link in description so you can compare how the different the situation 2 weeks ago and today. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Padma Utara Street, and now we turn right to explore Padma Street, because then I will go to the Legian beach. I want to explore how the situation right there at the moment in Legian beach. Padma Hotel right side. Yeah, this area also there is not so many cars parking beside the street. Usually in this area there is a lot of car parking beside the street, and some people walk around on the sidewalk. Yeah, but today it looks very empty. Right side, left side, there's the big hotels. And usually in this area must be busy because just nearby the beach. You can see at the front there is a Legian beach. Okay, then we will take a look how the situation at the moment in Legian beach. But I have to find the parking first. Yeah, left side there is the big hotel just from the beach, and in the right side there is Legian beach. Oh, there is some people at the front. I think they just been restaurant left side, and then they go to the beach, Legian beach. Ah, so cute, isn't it? Okay, now I will park in this area and I will enter to Legian beach. Okay guys, welcome to Legian beach. Actually, if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. It's very clear, and the water also very blue. But on this beach, only a few people. It's very sad, isn't it? How come Bali is still very quiet? Oh yeah, there's some people on the beach. We hope Bali getting better and better and get busy again like before. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Legian beach. Still quiet, but some people there. Oh, there's some people playing surfing. That's really good. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell, because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Thank you for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.